Hey there, crypto miners. Today, let's talk about something essential for every miner: hardware maintenance. Keeping your equipment in top shape is crucial for ensuring smooth operations and maximizing your profits. Think of it as giving your rig a spa day, because even machines need a little TLC. First off, why is regular maintenance so important? It prevents downtime. A well-maintained rig runs like a finely tuned sports car, while a neglected one can sputter and stall, costing you precious mining time. You wouldn't want to miss out on those sweet crypto rewards just because you skipped a checkup, right? Next, let's talk about dust. Dust is the enemy of cooling systems. A dusty rig can lead to overheating, which slows down performance and may even cause hardware failure. Make it a habit to clean your equipment regularly. It's like a spring cleaning, except you're not getting rid of old clothes, just old dust bunnies. Now consider the power supply. Regularly checking and maintaining your power supply unit, PSU, is vital. A faulty PSU can lead to unstable operation or even complete failure. It's the heart of your mining rig, so treat it like royalty. Check connections, look for wear, and make sure it's delivering the right amount of power. Don't forget about software updates. Keeping your mining software up to date ensures you're using the latest features and security patches. Think of it as keeping your favorite app fresh. Nobody likes outdated software that crashes or has security vulnerabilities. Lastly, document your maintenance routine. Keeping records of when you last cleaned your rigs, replaced components, or performed upgrades helps you stay organized and proactive. It's like having a diary for your equipment. Who knew your mining rig could have its own life story? So if you want to keep your mining operation running smoothly and efficiently, regular hardware maintenance is a must. Join us and reach your next crypto level.